I used to feel it was a world, but dreaming on back in the gut, screaming the song. Just the beauty of you would quell my so numb. I think for what we let go. The noise is just about reaching a crescendo here as these two sides get ready to lock horns. This is football at its finest. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. Takes a shot. That was superb goalkeeping. Griezmann clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper. There to belt it away. And now they can spring out of defence. Neither of these two want to come off second best. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Barcola. Shifted it to the flank. Hazard picks it out wide. It's run loose here. You have to say that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Manchester United are enjoying the lion's share of possession, but nothing yet to show for it. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's having a hit! Fernandez aims beyond the defence. Now, can they get him away? Donnarumma gets his hand. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's a shot. Oh, that is very close. Kelly brilliantly took control of that, which was exactly what the situation required. Fernandez. Alexander-Arnold. Messi going face to face with his great rival. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Griezmann. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Good shot! And somehow it stayed out. Camavinga. And it's Fernandes. Hazard so cleverly bypassed the press. Hazard. Now it's Griezmann. A collective sigh of relief from the defence. That's a half-decent try.
Kvaratskhelia certainly knows that he's missed a real chance there, but he can't dwell on that. He needs to pick himself up and move on.
Still waiting for the game's first breakthrough goal. Now it's Hazard. The ball's gone astray. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Fernandes. And it's gone long. Pinches it off him.
And that has to be maintained in the second half.
We reached the halfway point, and neither side have yet been able to force the issue. Still nil. If you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
Manchester United are probably feeling relatively good about themselves, so I don't think the manager has seen anything to change in his half-time team talk.
Messi plays it short. And he's Gattuso! Smashing delivery, just didn't do enough with it.
That definitely had the element of surprise to it. Clearly came in when no one was expecting it, and it was drilled.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Good chance here. That comes as a mighty relief. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, it's come loose. And a chance! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders. Well, into the second half, and it's still goalless. That's the throw. That's a good run down the left. Over to the other side. And it's Alexander-Arnold. Bruno Fernandes looking to shake off some unwanted attention.
Well, he needed to do it.
And the shot! He has done it! A century of appearances and a goal so richly deserved. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Just way too good, Peter. The keeper was never going to stop it.
So the first moment of real significance.
Well, when the going gets tough, etc., they can still turn this round, I think.
And the shot! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Chance, surely! Oh, it's fallen loose again! Goal! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
But that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping parry or spillage, and sometimes you'll get lucky. It'll come your way.
Manchester United are now luxuriating in a 2-goal lead.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
And the counter is on. Bruno Fernandes. And here's Kvaratskhelia. And that does really well to win the ball there. Now it's Messi. Camavinga. That's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Hazard. Hazard. And Marquinhos. Arcola, he's onto this.
4 added minutes has been
Minimum
indicated.
of 4 minutes additional time. Messi. Hazard. Now it's Messi. Chance for a shot! Has fallen kindly here.